Hi, I'm Ryan Joseph Long and you're watching my channel. Today I want to tell you about Xpods Pros. They have 25 hours of total play time, 5 hours per charge with an extra 20 with the charging case. One of my favorite things about these pods is that they have the rubberized end so they fit in any ear. They have HD stereo sound, auto pairing, and 6 sets of sizes for the ears. It's a good pocket size. NASDAQ. I like the logo on here. Can you see that? It's shiny. Let's see. Let's try to pair these. Oh wow, they fit really well. They're super comfortable. They get a really good seal because of the rubberized bud. So it's different than something that just fits your ear because the rubberized bud, it sort of really seals off all of their sound and fits really well. And I imagine it's going to sound great. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, the bass is good. Wow, these are awesome. They have the whole range, the bass. They seal really well to my ear. They're super comfortable because look at this shape, this ergonomic shape that they have. They just really go in so well. And I have to say, I like these better than any other pods that I've had. And I'm so glad that I discovered this brand. And I'm so glad that they sent me these. They sent me these for free in hopes that I would do a promotion for them. So thank you so much, Xpods Pro. And I would say that this is definitely an honest review as well. If I didn't like them, I'd probably be telling you. So I have to say I'm super surprised. I really like them. I can't wait to take them skiing. I love having my tunes in when I ski. And you should check them out. They're super comfortable. The bass is loud. They've got the full range, 20 hours, 5 hours per charge, for a total of 25 hours worth of playtime. Xpods Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to give this video a like, check out my other videos, and subscribe.